You'll be protected. If you are in a mobile home or in a vehicle, get out of them immediately. Get into a more substantial shelter. If you are
Blacksburg has issued a tornado warning for Rockingham County, Central North Carolina, until 4 p.m. At 3:28 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 9 miles southwest of Bethany, about 6 miles east of Boone's Creek, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Bethany, Monroe, Leadville. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now, if you wait to see or hear it coming. It may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please relay severe weather reports to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-866-215-4324. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Thursday evening for north central North Carolina and southwestern Virginia.
Ben, is there a gentleman inside that car?
Yes.
Okay, it looks like there is somebody trapped in that car. Remember, if you cannot see the bottom of the water, you do not know how deep it is.